Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, Windows cannot print due to a problem with the current printer setup. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Right-click Windows, Permission. Select all application packages. Check Full Control, Apply, OK. Right-click Windows, Permission. Click Add. Type everyone, click Check Names. Click OK. Check Full Control, Apply, OK. Close and exit registry. Type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Select Print Spooler service. Start and stop service. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.